everyone, welcome to Learn and Fun. In last video, we covered continuous present tense and in today's video, we will cover perfect present tense. Now the question is, what is perfect present tense? To express an action which has done recently. Example is, I have done my breakfast. It means before recording the video, I have completed my breakfast. An action done recently. In that case, we use perfect present tense. Let's see the structure of perfect present tense. Subject plus have or has plus V3 plus object. With third person singular subject like he, she, name, it, we use has, where I is a first person singular, we is a first person plural, you is a second person, and the subject they is a third person plural. With the subject I, we, you, they, we use have. With plural we use have. Now let's see how to frame the sentence. First sentence is, I have written a letter, where written is a third form of write. First form is write, second is wrote, and the third form is written. Another example is, I have recorded a video. This video you are watching that already recorded before you watch. Second sentence is, she has played football. Third one is, they have joined the session. And the last one is, we have made food. Negative structure of perfect present tense is subject plus have or has plus not plus V3 plus object. Sentence is, I have not written a letter, or we can say I haven't written a letter. Second one is, they have not closed this deal, or we can say they haven't closed this deal. Third one is, she has not played football, or we can say she hasn't played football. The last one is, they have not joined the session. They have not joined the session, or we can say they haven't joined the session. Interrogative structure of perfect present tense is have or has plus subject plus V3 plus object. Let's see how to frame the sentence. The first one is, have I played football? Here we are using have before the subject plus verb third form. Second one is, have they closed this deal? Third one is, has she written a letter? And the last one is, have they joined the session? Let's see the uses of perfect present tense. First one is recently completed action. She has taken the medicine. Second one is finish action. He has purchased a car. Another example is, Ram and Shyam have played well. Here we use have with the subject Ram and Shyam. With simply Ram we use has, but here Ram and Shyam, it makes a plural. That's why we use Ram and Shyam have played well. With plural we always use have. Adverbs of timing. Just, ate, already, now, all day long, so far, till now, never, ever, for, since, this is first time, up to now, up to present, and several times. Let's see the sentence. I already have received the letter. Here we use already. Second one is she has just cleaned the floor. Here we use just. And the third one is have you ever eaten chicken? Here we use ever. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.